Welcome to Make Money Online 101, Essential Tips for Beginners. In this video, we will discuss valuable tips and strategies for those who wish to generate income online. Whether you are looking for a side hustle or hoping to replace your current job, these tips will help you get started on the right track. Before diving into the online world, it's important to choose the right path. Understand your skills, interests, and abilities, and determine how you can leverage them to generate income online. Whether it's freelance work, selling products, offering services, or creating content, finding the right path will set you up for success. One of the key factors to success in making money online is identifying your niche. Determine a specific area or topic that you are knowledgeable and passionate about. By targeting a niche audience, you can cater to their specific needs and establish yourself as an expert in that field. To succeed in the online world, it's crucial to build a strong online presence. Create a professional website or blog to showcase your work, skills, and offerings. Utilize social media platforms to connect with your target audience and promote your services. Remember, a strong online presence will greatly increase your chances of success. When it comes to making money online, providing value and quality is key. Whether you are selling products, offering services, or creating content, always prioritize delivering value and maintaining high quality. This will help you build trust with your audience and establish a loyal customer base. Consistency and persistence are vital in the online world. Building a successful online business takes time and effort. Be prepared for challenges and setbacks, but don't let them discourage you. Stay consistent with your efforts and persistently work towards your goals. This dedication will eventually lead to your desired level of success. To maximize your online income potential, consider diversifying your income streams. Relying on a single source of income can be risky. Explore various opportunities such as affiliate marketing, sponsored content, online courses, or even creating and selling your own products. Diversification will not only increase your earning potential but also provide stability. Congratulations! You've reached the end of Make Money Online 101, Essential Tips for Beginners. By following these tips, staying motivated, and continuously learning, you are on the right path to achieving your financial goals online. Remember, success doesn't happen overnight, but with dedication and persistence, you can create a successful online income stream.